Hey everyone, welcome to my cooking show. So the first food we made was cornbread, and it's in the oven right there, that oven. And the next food we're gonna make is it deviled eggs? Deviled eggs. And my mom's in the background, so. She does on the other. Bye! Okay guys, so we got our eggs here. And I will be scraping the peeling off because we already boiled them or whatever. So I peeled all the eggs and I did a good job. So I just finished cutting these in half and putting the yolk in this bowl. So yes. Okay guys, so we're creating the yolk thing and we put mayonnaise in it so far and we're smashing the yolk thing and yeah. Okay. Tastes like mustard, so tastes good. And it could be a little bit disturbing. I will be the next Gordon Ramsay, just saying. Okay, so this is the final product of the eggs. So guys, I'm like peeling the potato. So yeah. Okay, stop.
Oh, it started.
Hold on, there's two.
Oh no! Oh no! Okay, so we're in Target. I went to Bath and Body Works, got some gifts, and we're looking. So yeah, I'm trying to find my mom a Christmas present, and it's the hardest thing ever. Cause you know, it's really hard. Okay, so we're going to another Target to get something, but first we're checking out. I would show you the gifts, but I don't know if my friend definitely watches this video, so she ain't gonna know what she gets. But yeah, bye.
Pepsi. And what's your flavor of the day?
Lunch.
I'll do that
I think we're done for the day. So yeah, success.
Go.
Thank you for watching this video. Basically, when I got home, I took a 2-hour nap, and it was the best nap of my life because I woke up at 5:38 and I was tired. So yeah, make sure to drop a like and subscribe.